I gotta make sure y'all listen up on this one. It's gonna get a little fast on y'all.
Yeah, soul music, man. Listen, I'm a man in desperation, but you'll never see no signs of hesitation. All you'll see is my dedication to this nation. A million miles running, feel my perspiration. How can I breathe easy? They trying to take my respiration. It's time to give hip-hop some elevation. First step is to change the industry's false interpretations. Escalating, spinning, blazing. All the hating will never lead to hip-hop for escalation. Cause they creating a situation of imitation. Cause kids be basing their information on exaggeration, which leads to a greater devastation. Forcing the hip-hop civilization into a limitation. It's time to stop the spot infiltration and make a revelation to give hip-hop a renovation. We need to use this as communication to build inspiration and motivation into educating our future generations. So when they reach the final reservation, they'll receive a better accommodation. Cause right now we facing, leading our generation into nothing but an abomination. Not to mention Bush trying to push countries to abomination. We started from God's creation. What's the explanation for choosing hell as our final destination? Hip-hop has a lot of relation with causing some of the altercation, but with proper organization we can start the manifestation and end this period exclamation. Yeah, it ain't over, man. I'm still listen, I'm still a man in desperation, impatiently waiting and blatantly hating rappers that say they real when they know that they faking. I'm partially blaming half of these radio stations for commercialization and keeping these lanes in rotation. They end up taking the game and the bill I was chasing and gave a strenuous situation more complication. Used to have infatuation with other lyrical lacerations. Nowadays I only feel lyrical masturbation. I lost my fascination and admiration when corporate suits let anyone claim a hip-hop inhabitation. Can't blame it on migration, cause hip-hop moved from the east to the west, down south and all around the nation. Here's my evaluation for recent observation. We lost our motivation along with our concentration to keep the separation between the monetary gain and the artistic movement. Our prime obligation, guess the capitulation is capitalization. The main reason hip-hop lost all its liberation. And if the situation shows a continuation of persuasion, then we'll lose hip-hop as a civilization. Right now my heart is racing, a lot of MCs chasing a dream that doesn't seem to be worth the waiting. But my determination, patience and toleration will never ever run out for hip-hop and its conservation. So here's my declaration: as long as I'm alive, hip-hop will never reach the state of annihilation.
And he drops the mic.